How to turn on or off system haptics on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Here, scroll down and go to the System Haptics feature as shown. System haptics on an iPhone are the subtle vibrations you feel for actions like toggling a switch in settings or long pressing an app icon. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Tap on the switch to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off system haptics on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.